So you're considering tinting your eyelashes yourself at home, right? This is CG with Lips and More. How to tint your eyelashes at home. Do it yourself, eyelash tinting. Well, you can go to a beauty supply store, and they do carry different things like this. It's a lash and eyebrow tint, and it has everything that you would need in there. It has the chemicals to do it and the procedure to do it with, and they do explain it. But I highly, highly recommend having a professional do it. But you can temporarily color your eyelashes at home. There are plenty of items on the market, such as colored eyelash mascara. This is a blue. You can also get this one. This is a very good one by Max Factor. They have the dark brown, and you would just paint your eyelashes, curl them as you normally would, put the brown on, and then this is a iridescent burgundy or Bordeaux color, they call it, and you just go over either just the tips or just the whole eyelash. And several coats should give you the effect that you want. Now, of course, these are just the temporary ones. These will wash off at night when you take off your mascara. So you can consider you either want to have a permanent one done professionally or do it yourself at home. This is CG with Lips and More, and the greatest gift is the gift of beauty.